All of these images were generated using the same AI tool without spending a single dime. Let me show you how you can do the same. On the media website, you can access a wide range of AI image models without purchasing a subscription. It also includes many of the latest AI image models, including the recently released Seedream 5. Simply choose a model, enter your prompt, and generate your image. Within a few minutes, your image will be ready and you can download it without a watermark. Seedream is a less restrictive AI image model that gives you more freedom to create the images you want. However, if you're looking for adult image models, you can join our private group through the channel membership. There, you'll find a variety of uncensored AI models. Now let's see how you can get free credits. If your friend creates an account using your invite link, both you and your friend will receive 50 free credits. You can create an account using either Gmail or your phone number. I've already shared several websites for getting mobile numbers in my private channel. Once your friend creates an account using your invite link, they'll receive 50 free credits and you'll also receive 50 credits. However, these credits won't be added automatically. You need to claim them manually. If you're enjoying these free AI tools, subscribe to the channel. I regularly share new AI websites and free methods like this.